he was in the jungle or something, and you turned back and you said, "Hati, hati." Yeah, the hati hati got my attention. I think it was really short, but it actually had a very big impact, you know, of what she knows and what he doesn't know. Yeah, and I think that was a very strong moment for me when it comes to your role as Princess Fatima. Now, so you know, here in Singapore, so earlier we've done this Chinese. We got Ron to say hi in Chinese. Now here in Singapore and Malaysia, we're multilingual. So now, for you, I would say you can mix a little bit and maybe let the audience hear you. You know, you can mix a little bit of Bahasa Indonesia and also a little bit of English to tell the audience why this is a movie that they have to watch. Let everyone hear it from you.
Oke, teman-teman semua di sini.
Hey!
Yes. You guys have to tengok film Raja, Malay, English, Indonesia. Because this movie is very special to me. Yeah, it talks. Even though I'm Indonesian, this movie I learned a lot about myself from this film. This film, campur lagi nih ya, campur ya. This film has actually, back then, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, and we all one territory, right? There's no Indonesia, there's no Malaysia, there was no Brunei and all that. So to me, being in this production, knowing the history of Sarawak made me understand more about myself, about my culture, about the history itself. So kalian harus tengok Raja, Edge of the World. How can they watch it other than, because this is not okay.
Thank you so much, Atika. Can we give her a big round of applause? Thank you. We'll see you inside later.